Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 11. You have 4 items listed here, or 4 properties: high thermal capacity, high sensitivity, easy readability, accuracy over a wide range of temperatures. Now the question is, from the statements above, the qualities of a good thermometer are A. 1, 3 and 4, B. 2, 3 and 4, C. 1 and 2, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have these 4 properties here, and which of them can be described as qualities of a good thermometer. Now, when talking about high thermal capacity, they are talking about the ability for it to retain or absorb heat. And any material that's able to absorb or retain heat is also capable of transferring heat. Now, high sensitivity, of course, talks about how quickly it responds to changes in temperature. 3 says easy readability, and easy readability just means the property of it, or ability to detect changes in temperature. And 4 says accuracy over a wide range of temperature. That is also ability to take readings or to detect changes over a wide range of temperature. Now, we're asked for which is not a quality, or which is a quality of a good thermometer. Now, high thermal capacity is not a quality of a good thermometer, because a good thermometer should not be able to absorb or retain heat or transfer heat, because it could affect the temperature of the body, from which you are measuring, the body which you are taking the temperature reading from. So it is not a quality. But for high sensitivity, a good thermometer should be able to respond to changes in temperature. It should be easy to read. You should be able to detect, the changes in temperature, and you should also be able to accurately record temperature over a wide range. So that is 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4 is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.